In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize YouTube video with Gemini on mobile. If you want the key points of a video without scrubbing through every minute, Gemini can help generate a quick summary right inside YouTube on your phone. I'll walk you through exactly how it works and what to do if you don't see the Gemini option on your screen. Start by opening the YouTube app on your mobile device. Choose the video you want summarized and let it load on the watch page. Keep the video open so everything is clearly visible on your screen. This makes it easy for Gemini to reference the content you're watching. On some accounts, you'll see a Gemini icon appear under the video, positioned between the dislike and download buttons. If you see it there, simply tap the Gemini icon. A panel will appear, and Gemini will generate a concise summary of the video you're viewing. Give it a moment to process, especially on longer videos. The summary is designed to capture the main points, so you can quickly understand what the video covers before deciding whether to watch it all the way through. If you don't see the Gemini icon on your account, don't worry. You can still ask for a summary using your voice. With the video open on your screen, say, "Hey Google, summarize this video." Keep your phone near you so your voice is picked up clearly. When you use that voice command, Gemini will appear and provide a summary of the video you have open. If the video audio is playing loudly, consider lowering the volume or pausing briefly so your device can hear the command clearly. Feature availability can vary by account and region, so it's normal if one account shows the Gemini icon while another does not. The voice command is a helpful alternative that works even when the on-screen icon isn't present. Once the summary appears, read through it to get the overall structure and main takeaways of the video. This is especially handy for lectures, tutorials, or long-form content where you want a quick overview before diving deeper. Remember that summaries reflect the information available from the video and its transcript, so results can vary depending on the content. That's all you need to do. Open YouTube, look for the Gemini icon between dislike and download, and tap it. Or, if it's not visible for you, say, "Hey Google, summarize this video," and let Gemini do the rest. Enjoy quicker insights and smarter watching on mobile.